In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rear hatch lift support on your Kia Sorento located on your rear hatch. Now, when you open up your rear hatch, you're going to go ahead and locate your lift supports. There's one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. Now, when you go to services here, you want to have someone either hold the hatch up for you. You can use a support stick or something like that. But when you remove this here, the other side is not going to be enough to support the weight of the hatch, and it will bonk you in the head. So take that into note. At this point here, we're going to start with a pocket screwdriver. And there's a little metal clip right here. I'm going to go ahead and put this in, and you're going to gently pry outward. As this clip comes out, it's releasing the lock on there, and you should be able to pull this outward off of the ball stud here, like so. Now I'm going to go to the opposite end here, and there's another clip. It's on the inboard side here. You can do the same thing. Put the screwdriver in, pry that clip out, and then pop this off like so. I'm going to go ahead and grab a rag and clean off both of these ball studs, make sure that they're nice and clean, and then install the new part. Now, the new components that we have do have a little dab of grease on the inside for the pivots, so you don't have to add anything to it. I want to go ahead and take the new component. I'm going to start with the bottom side here first, and the clip is already installed, so all you have to do is line up the ball stud with the lift support and push it on. You can hear it and feel it engage, and then lift up this end here. And if this side does not line up with this, simply turn it clockwise. You can continue to rotate that until that lines up. What you might have to do now is, after you line this up, lift up on the tailgate to get that to line up, and then squeeze that on. You're gonna hear it and feel it engage. You wanna repeat this process for the passenger side, and at that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.